Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set digits to save extra on paydays. Digit can help you to boost your savings by setting it to save extra money automatically on your paydays. To do this, all you got to do is open your Digit app, or you can log in on the website. And once you're in, navigate to the savings settings. Now you're going to look for the option labeled save on payday, or something similar. Enable this feature and specify exactly how much extra you want Digit to save each time you receive your paycheck. Digit will then automatically transfer this additional amount to your savings right after your income hits your account, helping you to save faster without having to think about it. This is a great way to take advantage of your regular income and to build your savings steadily. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Digit tips and tricks, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.